let's talk about the sign of Aquarius, the 11th sign of the zodiac, which is a fixed air sign and is ruled by Saturn in traditional astrology and co-ruled by Rahu, North Node, in modern astrology. Now, 11th house is connected with large network circles, groups, tribe, community, elder siblings, wishes, dreams, and long term vision, and basically the future that you build. So, Aquarius is connected with the third eye chakra, which is connected with intuition, perception, insight, and the ability to see beyond the current situation. This is one of the rare gifts of the sign of Aquarius, to see beyond the current situation into future possibilities. Because Aquarius is the innovator of the zodiac. It is able to break old patterns. Now, being ruled by Saturn, it is dealt with a lot of challenges in life. Also, being ruled by Rahu, North Node, it is dealt with a lot of deep waters. And there's a lot going on in their life, like at all points. But they have this ability to break those old patterns of their own self, their family, their lineage, and with their unconventional ideas and futuristic thinking, bring that new system in the world. So, this is the true gift of the sign of Aquarius and their purpose. So, they are able to see what others yet cannot see when they are in their high vibration. But their shadow side is that when they are in the wrong space, because Aquarius is closely connected with community, when they are with the wrong people, then they start feeling stuck and they start living in their mind. Instead of connecting with people around, they start disconnecting with everybody. They start feeling isolated and they start feeling being very emotionally detached from everyone. And they feel directionless in life. They don't know how to move forward. They don't know what to do with their life. This is when they are in the wrong space, when they do not feel nurtured, when they are with the wrong kind of people who bring them down. So for you, Aquarius, let your unconventional self be seen so that you're able to do what you're supposed to do with your unconventional ideas, innovative thinking, futuristic mindset, and truly shine